Want to give your WordPress site a fresh look by changing its fonts? I'm here to show you easy ways to switch up your typography and make your site stand out. Hey everyone, I'm Jade from Rapyd Cloud, where we keep your websites fast, secure, and looking great. Today I'm going to walk you through how to change fonts in WordPress using different methods. Whether you're using a block theme, classic theme, or a plugin, let's dive right in. Fonts do more than just display text. They set the tone for your entire website. Whether you want a clean, modern look or a more traditional feel, the right font can influence how your visitors perceive your brand. Good typography enhances readability and makes your content more engaging. So let's see how to change your fonts in WordPress. First up, if you're using a block theme in WordPress, you can easily change fonts directly in the site editor. Go to your WordPress dashboard, click on Appearance and then Editor. In the site editor, click on Styles. Choose Typography and select the font family for the elements you want to change, like headings, paragraphs, or buttons. Customize the size, weight, or other typography settings as needed. Once you're happy with the changes, click Save, and your fonts will be applied across your site. Changing fonts in the page editor is quick and easy. Go to your WordPress.com dashboard and select the page or post you want to edit. In the page editor, select any block of text. In the right-hand sidebar under Typography, you'll see options to change the font size, style, and line height. Pick the font family and make any adjustments to fit your design. These changes apply only to the specific page or post, giving you flexibility to mix and match fonts throughout your site. For more advanced font control, or if your theme doesn't have built-in typography options, you can use a plugin. A great free option is Custom Fonts, developed by Brainstorm Force. Go to your WordPress dashboard and click Plugins and then Add New. Search for Custom Fonts and install the plugin by Brainstorm Force. Once activated, go to Appearance and then Custom Fonts. You'll find an option to add a new font. Click on it and you'll be able to select any of the fonts under the Google Fonts tab. This plugin also allows you to upload and apply custom font files and manage them directly from the WordPress dashboard. After uploading your custom fonts, assign them to headings, body text, or other elements of your site. This plugin is perfect if you want complete control over your site's typography and want to use fonts beyond Google Fonts. Whether you're customizing fonts in WordPress or adding advanced features, a reliable hosting service is essential to keep your website running smoothly. At Rapyd Cloud, we provide fast, secure hosting optimized for WordPress sites, so you can focus on design while we handle performance. Click the link in the description to learn how Rapyd Cloud can elevate your WordPress experience. And there you have it. Easy ways to change fonts in WordPress. Whether you're using the site editor, classic customizer, or a plugin, you now have the tools to update your site's typography. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell for more WordPress tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.